Understanding upgrade incentives, a key to smart choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English both fun and effective. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: upgrade incentives. Whether you're dealing with software, services, or subscriptions, understanding this concept is crucial. So, let's break it down together and find out why it's so important in our daily decisions. Stay tuned, and let's learn something new today. Upgrade incentives are essentially benefits or bonuses offered to encourage customers to move from their current product or service level to a more premium or advanced option. Think of it as a nudge from companies to get you to switch to a higher tier of what they offer. These incentives can come in various forms, such as discounts, additional features, or access to exclusive content. The key idea here is to make the upgraded option more attractive so that you feel it's worth spending a little extra. Companies offer upgrade incentives for several reasons. Firstly, it's a way to increase customer loyalty by providing more value to those who commit to higher levels of service or products. Secondly, it helps businesses generate more revenue. Even if they offer a discount as part of the incentive, the overall income from a higher tier subscription is usually greater than from a lower tier. Lastly, it's a strategy to stay competitive in the market. By offering enticing upgrade options, companies can keep their customers from switching to rival products or services. Let's look at some common examples to understand upgrade incentives better. A streaming service might offer an ad-free experience as an incentive to upgrade to a premium subscription. Software companies often provide advanced features, such as extra storage or customization options, only available at higher subscription levels. Airlines might offer upgrade incentives like priority boarding or additional frequent flyer points to encourage customers to book higher-class tickets. When faced with upgrade incentives, it's essential to evaluate their value carefully. Ask yourself, do the additional benefits align with my needs or interests? Is the price difference justified by the value of the incentives? Will I use the extra features or benefits enough to make the upgrade worthwhile? By answering these questions, you can make an informed decision that balances cost with benefits. Understanding upgrade incentives is more than just a language lesson. It's about making smart choices in a world full of offers and promotions. We hope this video has shed some light on what upgrade incentives are and how they can affect your decisions. Remember, the key is to weigh the benefits against the cost and decide what's best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, everyone!